Today, we're unboxing the Hey-Gears Light Curing 3D printer. The Hey-Gears 3D printer weighs 25 kilograms and feels very solid and stable. The product packaging is extremely sturdy and secure. The internal protection is robust, ensuring the machine is well protected against damage during shipping. Each machine is carefully wrapped in cling film to prevent scratches. The entire setup looks professional, with a sleek and stylish design. The front cover of the Hey-Gears 3D printer features a clever design with a sturdy hinge, allowing it to be easily lifted and held in place. A uniquely designed printing platform. The platform is quite heavy, which helps stabilize it during the printing process. The frosted printing platform has many holes to reduce suction when lifting and to improve adhesion of the print. The printing platform can be locked with one click, and there's no need for leveling. The resin vat also features a one-click locking mechanism, ensuring stability after locking. Once the 3D printer is opened, the first step is to connect to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Click to select the device's auto-leveling function. Initialization is also completed in just 2 simple steps. On this screen, we can see sensor feedback on temperature, humidity, and other data. In the device settings, you can set many features, such as firmware upgrades, automatic resin heating, autofill settings, and more. After connecting to Wi-Fi, we choose to update the firmware via the network or a USB drive. Both the light curing and cleaning machines can connect to Wi-Fi. They need to be connected to Wi-Fi using the Blueprint Studio mobile app. After connecting to the network, firmware can be updated online. In the Blueprint Studio software on the computer, we can view and manage connected devices. First, we use 3D modeling software like Fusion 360 to design a nightlight model. Next, create a project in the software. Simply follow the guide to set your model type, resin type, printing resolution, and more. Here you can see the printing settings we've chosen. The first step is just to import the model parts for the nightlight. Blueprint Studio software allows for many customizations, such as custom supports, layout, and slicing. If this is your first time with 3D printing, your mind might be overwhelmed. But don't worry, we just need to use the one-click slicing feature to handle everything. One-click slicing is like magic. It automatically repairs models, rotates, arranges, sets supports, and slices. Every step is automated. Supports are set perfectly. We just have to wait for the slicing to complete, then we can print. After slicing is complete, we can see the model's printing time, resin usage, and other details. We can save the slicing file and transfer it to the printer via a USB drive, or send the print file directly to the 3D printing device over the network, which is very convenient. The resin bottle features an interesting design with an RFID tag visible here. There's a spring design inside the resin bottle spout, preventing resin from leaking when inverted. After loading the resin, the device automatically recognizes the resin type and sets appropriate printing parameters. With built-in level and temperature sensors, the device automatically refills the resin, and if the resin temperature is too low, it will also automatically heat the resin vat. During the printing process, we can monitor the progress via the Blueprint Studio app on our phone. If the print is complete, the AP will also notify you of the completion. Unlock the printing platform with one click, and you can easily remove it. There's a clever design here on the printing platform, allowing you to angle it to easily recover excess resin. When removing the resin bottle, press this button to lock the bottle in place, allowing as much resin as possible to drip clean. Unlock the resin vat with one click, and we can easily remove the vat. To recycle the resin, we use a filter to catch any debris created during printing. The model supports set by the software are easy to remove, small at the contact points, but very sturdy. It's covered to be transparent, so we print it using transparent resin. The cleaning machine comes with 2 buckets. Place the parts to be cleaned in the empty bucket, then place the bucket filled with alcohol on top. Just open the valve and the air inlet, and the alcohol will flow from the top bucket to the empty one below. The cleaning machine's method of agitation cleaning should make it even cleaner. After cleaning, we just need to switch the positions of the 2 buckets. Open the valve and the air inlet again, and the alcohol will flow to the empty bucket below, a thoughtful design to minimize our contact with alcohol. The Hey-Gears light curing machine is like a giant microwave lined with reflective mirrors, using 2 UV light wavelengths to rotate and cure the print pieces. Even such thin, transparent parts print exceptionally well. Even such tiny screw holes can be printed perfectly. The print quality of Hey-Gears is so good, you can barely see the layer lines, which is truly impressive. The print results are excellent. We just need to sand down the points where the supports were attached. Hey-Gears model resin is easy to sand and very smooth after sanding. The sanded transparent print pieces are very clear, but we need a frosted effect to conceal the LED lights. Spray the transparent print pieces with frosted paint. Spray other print pieces with frosted white paint. The spray-painted print pieces look incredibly exquisite, just like industrially manufactured products. Next, we start assembling the LED nightlight. This is a flexible LED filament. Print quality is just like a commercially bought nightlight.